The parametric equations of a curve are this and this. For theta between 0 and pi over 2, find the coordinates of the point on the curve where the gradient is a half, and find the Cartesian equation of the curve. So that's the question then. I've got it here. Okay, so for part 1, we need to get the x d theta, don't we, and dy d theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, the constant goes to 0, sine differentiates to cos, and there's 3 lots of dy d theta. Again, the constant goes to 0, cos goes to minus sine, so that makes plus 2 lots of sine, doesn't it? So dy dx then, which is the gradient, is equal to dy d theta divided by dx d theta, so it's 2 sine theta over 3 cos theta, which is 2/3 tan theta equals, when does it equal a half? That equals a half then, when tan theta is equal to, move the 3 up, 3, move the 2 down to be with the other 2 to make 4. So tan theta is 3/4, theta is acute, isn't it? So we just do shift tan 3/4 on the calculator. So shift tan, we need to be in radians mode, so 0.75 is 3/4 equals, let's go to the radians mode here, number 4, and that equals then in radians 0.6435, so 0.6435 radians. Okay, so we've done that. Find the coordinates of the curve. So here, 2 plus 3 sine theta is equal to 2 plus 3 times sine of 0.6435 equals, so 0.6435, that's accurate enough, so it's 2 plus 3 times sine of the 0.643, got it in answer, 19 over 5, which is 3.8. And y is equal to, well, oh, it's a tan is 3/4, so I didn't need to work that out, did I? Because we've got a 3, 4, 5 triangle here. Tan is 3/4, this is 1/5, so y is equal to 1 minus 2 cos theta. 1 minus 2 cosine theta is 4/5. 1 minus 8/5, 5/5 minus 8/5 is minus 3/5, which equals minus 0.6. And 2 plus 3 sine theta, that was 2 plus 3/5. 3 sine theta, 3 times 4/5 rather, which is 12/5, isn't it? Let's just check that again. 2 plus 3 lots of sine theta, which is 3/5. Oh, okay, 2 plus 9/5, which works out at 9/5 is 1.8. You get the 3.8. So that's, we did it in the calculator, but we didn't really need to. So there's the coordinates then of the point where the gradient is a half. Find the Cartesian equation of the curve. We've got sine squared plus cos squared is 1, haven't we? So that's what we want to consider. So x is equal to 2 plus 3 sine theta. Let me just check that I've written it down correctly. Yeah. And y is 1 minus 2 cos theta. 1 minus 2 cosine theta. So here's sine theta then is equal to x minus 2. Move the 2 over and then move the 3 underneath. Cosine theta. Move the 2 cos theta over here, so it's 1 minus y. And that's 2 cos theta, remove the 2 from times to divide. So sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So this is x minus 2 squared over 9 plus 1 minus y squared over 4 is equal to 1. And that's the Cartesian equation of this equation here, which is what we needed to find.